In this video, we listed the 5 best cordless jig saw on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOBERICH 12V Cordless Jig Saw. The WOBERICH Cordless Electric Jig Saw is a versatile power tool designed for home DIY projects, capable of cutting through wood, plastic, and steel with a maximum cutting depth of 65 mm for wood and 5 mm for steel. Operating on a lithium battery with a voltage of DC 12V, it features a no-load speed of up to 2,200 RPM, ensuring efficient performance. The jig saw is equipped with user-friendly features such as an anti-drop design for saw blade installation, a non-slip handle for enhanced grip, and a self-locking mechanism for safety during operation. Additionally, it includes an air vent to cool the motor and prevent overheating. Please note that some options may not include batteries, and minor cosmetic imperfections may occur during transit. Customers are encouraged to contact the seller for any issues with the product upon receipt. Number 2. PATUOPRO Electric Jig Saw. The PATUOPRO Jig Saw is a highly efficient and versatile tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts, featuring specifications that enhance its performance and usability. With a maximum cutting depth of 65 mm and a no-load speed of up to 2,900 strokes per minute, it offers superior cutting efficiency for various materials. The jig saw supports 4-position orbital action for straight, curved, angled, and plunge cuts, and includes an adjustable base for bevel cutting up to 45 degrees. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, its compact and lightweight design reduces fatigue, while its D-shaped handle ensures comfort during operation. The cordless jig saw operates on compatible 18V lithium batteries, providing the freedom of wireless use, making it ideal for mobile projects. Additionally, it features a safety switch to prevent accidental activation. The product is available in various packages, with options including different battery capacities and a charger, although batteries are not included in the standard package. Number 3. BOSCH GST 12V Jig Saw. The BOSCH GST 12V Li is a cordless rechargeable jig saw designed for renovation applications, featuring a 12V power source and a lightweight construction of 1.5 kilograms. This versatile tool offers customizable features, with a no-load stroke speed ranging from 1,500 to 2,800 RPM and an adjustable bevel of 0 to 45 degrees, allowing for precise cutting in various materials. It boasts a maximum cutting depth of 70 mm in wood and 3 mm in both aluminum and metal, making it suitable for a range of DIY projects. Although the battery and charger are not included, this scroll saw ensures a reliable performance with a vibration emission value of 5.5 meters per square second, providing users with an effective and efficient cutting experience. Number 4. Makita DJV185 Jig Saw. The Makita DJV185 18V Cordless Jig Saw is a high-performance electric saw designed for precision and versatility in woodworking applications. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers a variable stroke speed of 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute, enabling efficient cutting through wood, steel, and aluminum with a maximum cutting capacity of 135 mm for wood. Weighing just 2 kilograms and measuring 259 by 77 by 183 mm, this compact tool boasts an ergonomic barrel grip for enhanced control and accuracy. Additionally, it offers 3 orbital settings and a straight cutting option, along with a convenient toolless blade change mechanism. Certified with CE, the DJV185Z is a reliable choice for professionals in woodworking and construction who require the flexibility of cordless operation without compromising on power or performance. Number 5. DEWALT DCS331 Jig Saw. The DEWALT DCS331 is a powerful 20V max cordless jig saw designed for professional woodcutting tasks, featuring a lightweight design of only 2.6 kilograms. This high-performance tool is equipped with a brushless motor and offers variable speed control with a no-load speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, ensuring precision and versatility for various applications. Its all-metal, lever-action keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade changes, while the adjustable shoe bevel facilitates cuts at angles of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. The 4-position orbital action enhances cutting speed and quality, complemented by an integrated dust blower that keeps the cutting line clear. Designed for convenience, the anti-slip comfort grip offers ease of use during extended projects, while the saw accepts T-shank blades for optimal holding power. This spare tool is CE certified and ideal for woodworkers looking for a reliable and efficient cutting solution.